If you're trying to grow on Threads in 2026, you've probably noticed something. Growing there feels very different from Instagram or TikTok because honestly, Threads is much more focused on conversations, opinions, and engagement instead of just flashy content. And that's actually a huge opportunity right now because many creators still don't fully understand how the platform works. So in this video, I'll show you how to grow on Threads. Fast step-by-step in 2026, even if you're starting from 0 followers. First, understand this. Threads rewards activity, much more than perfection. And honestly, this is where many beginners fail. They spend too much time trying to make every post perfect when the real growth comes from posting consistently and joining conversations. Now the first step, optimize your profile. Because honestly, people decide in seconds whether they want to follow you, so make sure you have a clear profile photo, a simple username, and a bio that immediately explains your content. For example, instead of a random bio, say something specific like daily AI tools and online business tips, or helping creators grow faster online. And honestly, clear profiles grow much faster. Pour un step post short content that's easy to engage with. Threads is not like YouTube. Long, complicated posts usually perform worse. The best posts are often opinions, short tips, relatable thoughts, questions, or controversial takes. And honestly, simple posts usually outperform over-edited content. Now, here's a huge trick for growth reply to bigger creators, because honestly, this is one of the fastest ways to get attention early. Find creators in your niche, then leave smart or interesting replies under their posts. And if your reply gets engagement, people start clicking your profile naturally. A lot of small creators grew this way, very quickly. Now, another important thing, post multiple times a day, because Threads moves fast. Many creators post 3 times, 5 times, or even 10 times daily, especially smaller accounts trying to grow. And honestly, consistency matters much more than making every post perfect. Now let's talk about formatting, because formatting matters a lot on Threads. Use short sentences, spacing, and clean readability. Because honestly, huge blocks of text usually get ignored. Now, another hidden growth strategy, turning trending topics into simple opinions. For example, if AI tools are trending, don't just repost news. Instead, say something like, "Most people are using AI completely wrong in 2026. That creates curiosity and conversation. And honestly, conversation is exactly what Threads wants. Now, another huge thing, don't only post promotional content, because honestly, people follow personalities more than advertisements. So mix opinion stories, humor, and useful tips instead of constantly trying to sell something. Now let's talk about consistency again, because honestly, most people quit too early. Threads growth can feel slow at first, then suddenly one post starts exploding. And that's usually when accounts begin growing rapidly. Now here's another underrated strategy. Connect Threads with Instagram, because Threads still benefits heavily from Instagram integration. So if you already have Instagram followers, use stories and reels to push people toward your Threads account. And honestly, this helps speed up early growth significantly. Now, let's be honest for a second. Growing on Threads in 2026 is less about beating the algorithm and more about becoming active in conversations people care about. The creators growing fastest are usually posting consistently, replying actively, and sounding human instead of robotic. So to wrap this up, the fastest way to grow on Threads is optimize your profile post. Simple, engaging content, reply to bigger creators. Stay consistent and focus on conversations instead of perfection. Because honestly, Threads is still one of the easiest social platforms to grow on right now if you use it correctly.